Martha, I'll do the next set of two. Thank you. Can you also have Mustafa to come, please?
Thank you. I'm honored this afternoon to speak on behalf of Nibs Technical College. As I do that, I request all students to stand and all the members of staff to come forward. Just come. We did have all the students to stand. Please, wherever you are, students to stand wherever they are. As they come, I can be saying this. Every encounter with Lizzie had a lesson. I remember sometimes back when I joined Nibs, I happened to Mr. Jeng and Madam Lizzie a guidance in Keine, and I remember that morning I told my wife as in a kid too, because I was a lady and to enjoy some meal with my CEO. But little did I know she was humble to the end up Kireine tukakunywa chana madazi, and that was all. I initially thought she was mean, but later in the evening I saw an SMS, M-Pesa, 5K ikaingia na nikajua kweli sio mean. But before I planned on how to spend, another message followed. I use the money wisely. I will lead the tribute from Nibs Technical College. My name is Jeremiah Munene. It is with profound sadness and heavy hearts that we bid farewell to our esteemed principal and CEO, Madam Lizzie Wanyoike. Her sudden departure has left an irreplaceable gap in our hearts and in the halls of Nibs College. Lizzie was not just a leader, she was the heartbeat of our institution. Her unwavering dedication, visionary leadership, and compassionate spirit shaped the very essence of Nibs Technical College. Under her guidance, we witnessed the college evolve into a hub of innovation, academic excellence, and a nurturing environment for both students and staff, making it feel like a sacred home for all who walked through its doors. And her visionary leadership, Nibs College reached new heights, consistently delivering quality education and producing graduates who have made a significant impact in various fields. Her commitment to fostering an environment of learning, growth, and innovation has left an indelible mark on the institution and the lives of countless students. Beyond her professional accomplishment, Madam Lizzie was a warm, kind, compassionate, loving, caring, and nurturing person. Her doors was always open. Genuine concern for the well-being of the student and staff created a sense of family, the Nibs community. She had a unique ability to balance authority with kindness and the respect and admiration of everyone she encountered with. Madam Lizzie's legacy extends beyond the confines of our college. Her unwavering support for education and her belief in the potential of each individual has left an enduring impact on the broader education. As we come